Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeMaster Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to validate a sign-up form in CodeIgniter 4. We will cover name, email, and password validation using CodeIgniter's built-in form validation library. So let's get started. In my previous video, we have stopped using just inserting the data from the form into the database with few checks. Okay, in this video we'll complete it validation and we'll close it out. For that we will write a variable which is name is rules. So variable can be anything. In that we will use first rule is for email. So email, it should be required, means it's mandatory. Then I'll mention that it should be a valid email ID. It means it should have @.com or .in, something like that. So, and also it should be unique. It should not be present in our database. So those things we have written if condition in our last video and then we have checked it, right? So that is not required if you write a validation. Once it is done, we'll take password. For that, it is also a mandatory field, and minimum length of the password can be, it should be 8. I am giving it out as a rule, and maximum can be 18. Okay, so why I gave maximum? If any user wants to insert a dummy data or a long string, so it should not take it out. That is the reason. Okay, the name should be, again it's required, minimum length is 3 and maximum can be 50. So in my last video I have shown you that email user to check the user if it is in there, the email is present in our database or not. So that is not required anymore right now. Now we will validate the rules, and if there is any errors, then we will send an error message. With a message, what errors we have. So for this you have this validator get errors. Okay, validate is for to validate the rules and validator is for to get the errors. That's it. Let's test it. Now let's go to our sign up page. We'll fill the form with the previous email ID. Now you got an unexpected error. Let me see what the error is. If you see here, the database error table is not present. So we have created table as users. Okay, I have mentioned it as user. So users it is. Perfect. So everything need to be checked. So once it is checked, here you got the errors. The email need to be unique and the password length is minimum 8. Now I want to customize this message like unique value and all. It's not looking professional. To customize this, you have a variables to set it out and tell like I need this custom message to be appeared. So how to do that? For this again I'll create a variable with errors. So any variable you can take, then I'll have an array. In that I'll take the email field, and then again I'll take an array. Here I'll not do for required. Required also you can give a custom message if they have not mentioned it out. Then you can give a custom message in that area. But I'll do it for is unique. If it is not unique, then I'll show a message saying that this email ID already exists or you have already registered with us. This is the message I want to display. For to show this custom message, you need to give validate with rules and errors. Okay, you need to give both the fields so that it will validate that, and based on that you will get that errors. Okay, so now let's check same message. Now you got here, you have already registered with us the email ID. So email is already registered with us. Password minimum length should be 8. That's it for today's tutorial. We have successfully implemented sign up form validation in CodeIgniter 4. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to CodeMaster Lab for more coding tutorials. See you in my next video.